I don't normally do these things, so I thought, well, why not? The other week I was really lucky to win a $150 voucher through Off Track, and it could be used for anything I wanted. I just had to say what it was. 150 bucks off became very nice. And there's Black Friday sales, so it was an extra 20% off or something like that. We have the Stratus Outdoors table. Actually, it's the Big D, and then the dish extending rack. So let's get it out of the box and have a look. And whilst we're doing that and making space, we're just trying to clear things out after Halloween, and the cat's decided to go up the ladder to the mezzanine. Oh dear. As online influencers go, one of the ones for myself is Harry from Fire to Fork. I always enjoy cooking on the fire, so learn loads from him. And so this one here is the Big D table, which let's get out and have a look. It's basically just like the normal camp table. It's just meant to be a bit taller. And let's see if I can do all this one-handed, which seeing as I've never done it, see what happens. Anyway, no. The advantage of these, for those that don't know, is it's aluminium and stainless steel. So I can actually put hot things on it without having to worry. That went sort of okay. Let's see if that's enough to open up and see what's inside. No, try again. There we go. And inside there is more paper. Oh, looks like it comes with a bag, so that's good. Let me get it out of the box. So inside the box is a nice canvas bag, which is good because I'm glad it came with that. Means everything stays nice. So before I put it up, this is what it looks like. It doesn't really help when it's on top of a tool chest with drawers, but anyway. So finish does look really nice. Let's put it up and see how high it really is. I might have thought it was a little bit bigger, but that'll teach me not to look at dimensions. Now that's a really nice height for working at. It's going to be way nicer prepping on. Really nice and solid, nice feel, nice and sturdy. Just fold out the legs and good to go. Did get a little something, even has a bottle opener. I try and drink cans when camping, but it does come with a bottle opener built in, which is always nice. I did opt for the additional dish drying rack. It could be used for anything, obviously. It just extends your space a bit more. Again, looks very nicely made. Doesn't come with a bag, which is a bit of a shame. I'm sure it will fit in the main one. So I'm guessing this must just go in like that. Oh, that was really easy. It takes a lot of weight too, which is great. So those that want to know, it's actually weight rated. The table is weight rated for 100 kilos, which is really impressive. And if I got a tape out, but anyway, it's like waist high. Nice. I'm really happy with that. So thank you very much, Dylan from Off Track, for the voucher. So one thing I have noticed is it does say there it's got 150 kilo weight rating. On the bottom of here, as we just flip it upside down. Oh, it's back to front. The table says 100 kilos. That's a big difference. In summary, the Stratus Outdoors Big D table seems really well made. Certainly going to make things easier cooking in the bush with it being that bit higher, and I can put a camp oven straight on it, which is very handy. Thank you very much again to Dylan and Ash from Off Track. Check him out on YouTube. He regularly does free giveaways where all you need to do is literally comment and subscribe to his channel. Thanks very much for watching. This is Andy from Andy's Adventures.